Hey guys, hi, it is Quentin here. We're back for another jailbreak video. Now, we are in jailbreak currently, and this is like the best game now because there was a new helicopter, an army helicopter, which is at the 1 million dealership. And here's the new escape route. It's pretty easy actually. I like this one because you go directly to the parking lot, you crouch under, and then you go to that car. So I don't have a SWAT because I'm on my new account, the one I made not a long time ago, and this guy's trying to arrest me. No! Poor me. I can't believe he arrested me. So, what was that? It's so weird. Huh. That was weird, but, we have to escape. So, by the way, guys, friend, I'll show you who you should friend. You should friend Earth Dragons, and I don't know if he's still on here. You should friend Earth Dragons and let's see, here he is, Ocarina of Time 78. So you should friend him. And he is my friend Colin, and that's the song Bodak Yellow. Kind of old. And I'm gonna change my thing to a really funny line in the song. It's from the song God's Plan. That's like a really funny line, she'd say. I guess I can't say. So I guess you can't say I love in Roblox, cause okay. So I think Ocarina of Time now plays Roblox probably. Cause I checked on Xbox and it said last time he was on was Roblox or something. Or the last game he played was Roblox. So make sure to friend him because he is my friend. And also friend Earth Dragons. That's my other friend. So let's see. Are there any cops here? I don't know. I can't really see. Oh yeah, there's a lot. Now, but of course, guarding the new place. Now here is the ninja guy. Cool outfit. Now, I shouldn't have done that. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? That song sucks, the middle. That is a song that I hate. It sucks, the middle. One of the worst song. I don't think anyone likes it. It's so stupid. No, he's catching on to me. Just can't believe that people shoot me, but eventually I die, which is kind of stupid. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh yeah, I'm losing my mind. Just that song is like my sister used to be obsessed with it, cause you know my sister gets little obsessions. Of course, you might know that. I used to like that song, New Rules, but I heard it too much. And it's old. And also, I used to like the song Wolves, but that one's old. And I used to like the song Friends until that one became old. So basically, I like the new music, not really old ones. Like, you know, Bodak Yellow and, I don't know, Look What You Made Me Do. And Endgame and Ready For It. Those are the old songs. And Swish Swish is really old. Hey 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 is kind of old. And I think the new song by Halsey, Alone, is new. It's by Halsey. You probably don't know it. Just kidding. It's her newest song, I think. And Drake's new song is called Nice for What? Or it might be a newer one. If there is, then I'm gonna listen to it. Because I always listen to the new music. And I'm gonna try to get a frickin' car. So, guys, I might have to end the video. Well, I don't, cause, at 3 o'clock, SpongeBob SquarePants is coming on, and I really love that show. It's like my favorite show now, and SpongeBob, it's really good. And now, aha, that was a long escape. It took forever. Hopefully no one's chasing me. Almost crashed into a car. So hopefully now I can rob a bank. There's a frickin' police. Oh my gosh! She said, "Do you love me?" I tell her, "Only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry." Oh, there's where the UFO is. Okay, I'm gonna get a car, well, not get a car, let's get some guns. Then I can destroy the police, like, totally wreck them. And I'm not gonna die, or, usually whenever, when I'm about to get arrested, I always, like, leave the server, because, I don't know, that's the thing I don't like, just getting arrested. And rocket fuel is really good, but I'm trying to save my rocket fuel. And, here we go. Might have to go to the criminal base again, because I need to friend someone. I need to find my friend Colin on Roblox, because this is my new account. I only have 5 friends. And only one of them I know. But I need to friend Ocarina of Time 78, which is Colin, and I need to find him. Because, I don't know. Now I gotta go in here, just in case the cops are gonna get me. Now, friend. Hopefully he'll accept my friend request. I think he played like 16 hours ago. Because he got a shirt of Dua Lipa in the song IDJF, I think. So, yeah, that's a pretty good singer, Dua Lipa. And they got a cat. Oh, yeah. Uncle Kitty. Oh, that sounds like Uncle Grandpa. And he got it's a smile, but where did he get the sword? I want a sword. Machete. Oh, that's a lot of Robux. Not as much as like VIP. I used to have that. Until I lost my account. But you might know my own. Oh, guys, sorry, don't know what happened. Just gotta cut off. Here's my old account, Saz5. And I'm not really a low gangster anymore. Logan Paul is kinda annoying, but I used to like him. I don't know what happened earlier. I just a video paused, and guys, by the way, I can't wait for Avengers Infinity War. I'm probably gonna watch it 2 days after it comes out. Because I'm really mad. Because I can't watch it the day it comes out, because I was gonna watch it. I had plans for that, but I have camping on Friday to Saturday. And I can't watch it on either other place. So I'm probably gonna watch it on Sunday. Or possibly even Monday, hopefully not. It's a cop. God's plan. I go now. That song kind of sucks. I mean, Drake sucks. And also, the sound of logic kind of sucks. Here we go. Helicopter! Woohoo! So, OMG! I'm probably gonna end the video if I get arrested. My goal down is to hey, I'll phone this in right there. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna totally end now. Sorry, I keep on pausing it on next video, but I'm gonna end it. Bye.